In this video, I will show you how to fix ESPN streaming choppy or buffering. So if you're facing this error, first of all click and hold on to ESPN icon, then click on app info. From here click on force stop, then confirm it. Then go to storage uses. Here click on clear cache. After that go to Play Store. Here in the search bar search for ESPN. Here check if there is any update available. If there is, then simply update your app. And if your app is already up to date, then you can check your connection. Make sure that the Wi-Fi connection is stable and it's working properly. You can turn on airplane mode for a few seconds and then turn it off again and let your device get connected to Wi-Fi. And even after that, if it's still not working, then you can simply go to your Wi-Fi router, turn it off for about 30 to 60 seconds. After that, plug it back in, then check your internet. And if it's still not working, you can simply try uninstalling ESPN. After that, press and hold on to your power button, restart your device. Then once your device is restarted, download the app again and try using it. And that's it. If you think this video was helpful, please like, share, subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.